One day, you've got power, running water, and a cell signal. The next, you've got nothing. Natural disasters, grid failures, cyber attacks, they don't care about your timeline. So the question isn't if you should be prepared. It's whether your gear is actually built for what's coming. Here are the 15 coolest Doomsday survival gadgets you need in 2026. Number 15. Lifesystems Safety Whistle. Think about this. You've hiked 3 miles off trail, you've twisted your ankle, and your phone is dead. What's the one piece of gear that could still save your life? Most people never think about it until it's too late. The Lifesystems Safety Whistle is a seriously underrated piece of kit. At 116 decibels with a dual tone frequency, this thing cuts through crashing waves, howling wind, and ambient chaos like nothing else. It floats. It ejects water instantly, so it works in any weather. It's engineered to alert rescuers on both land and sea. Lightweight, tough, high visibility, and takes up virtually zero space in any pack. Don't sleep on the basics. Number 14. Arcturus Heavy Duty Survival Blanket. You lose up to 80% of your body heat through radiation when you're exposed to the elements. Hypothermia doesn't need a blizzard. A cold, wet night is all it takes. The Arcturus Heavy Duty Survival Blanket is built from reinforced mylar with grommets, which means it's not just wrapping around you for warmth. String it up, and it becomes an actual waterproof tarp shelter. The reflective inner surface bounces your own body heat back at you, while the outer layer shrugs off rain and wind. Dual utility gear at its finest. One item, 2 survival problems solved. Number 13. Sawyer Mini Water Filter. Here's a stat that should wake you up. Waterborne illness kills more people in disaster scenarios than the disaster itself. The Sawyer Mini weighs literally 2 ounces. Its 0.1 micron hollow fiber membrane will filter up to 100,000 gallons before it needs replacing. You can attach it to a water bottle, a hydration bladder, or use it like a straw directly from a stream. It's the ultimate backup filter, small enough to live in your shirt pocket, powerful enough to keep you alive almost indefinitely. If you carry nothing else, carry this. Number 12. Morakniv Kansbol. There's a reason why survival instructors still tell you a fixed blade is the most important tool you'll ever carry. Not a multi-tool or a hatchet, a knife. The Morakniv Kansbol is high carbon steel, which means it holds an edge like it has something to prove. It can process firewood, prepare food, build a debris shelter, and craft other tools from raw materials. It's the kind of knife that doesn't ask for attention. It just quietly outperforms everything twice its price. Simple, sharp, and absolutely essential. Number 11. 5.11 Rush 72 2.0 pack. You've got all the right gear, but if you can't find it fast, it might as well not exist. Survival situations are high stress. Fine motor skills degrade. You don't have time to dig through a disorganized bag. The 511 Rush 72 2.0 is built around that reality. Multi-webbing means you can configure it exactly how you need it. The construction is mil-spec tough seams that won't blow out, zippers that won't fail, and material that can take a beating through rough terrain. This isn't just a backpack, it's a mobile command center for your survival loadout. Number 10. Talkie Mountain Radio. Imagine your group splits up during an evacuation. Cell service is gone. You have no way to know if everyone made it. Communication is what keeps groups alive, and most people have absolutely no backup plan for when the grid fails. The Talkie Mountain Radio runs for 4 full days on a single charge with FRS transmission that actually reaches. It's been drop tested, weather beaten, and stress tested in some of the most brutal mountain conditions out there. When things go sideways and coordination becomes a matter of life or death, this radio doesn't flinch. Number 9. Jackery Explorer 300 Plus. Most people don't realize how fast a power outage becomes a genuine crisis. Your phone dies first, then the radio, then the medical device that someone in your group actually needs. The Jackery Explorer 300 Plus is the compact insurance policy against all of that. LIFEP04 battery chemistry means this thing is built for the long haul. We're talking a decade of regular use before it even starts to degrade. It recharges in under 2 hours, pairs with solar panels for indefinite off-grid power, and it's quiet, lightweight, and small enough to grab on the way out the door during an evacuation. For a list full of gear that helps you survive, this is the one that keeps all of it running. Number 8. MIRA CM8M Gas Mask. Most survival planning stops at food, water, and shelter. Very few people plan for the air itself becoming a threat. Industrial accident, wildfire smoke with toxic particulates, chemical exposure, biological hazard. These aren't sci-fi scenarios. They're actual catastrophes reported on the evening news. The MIRA CM8M is full CBRN rated protection. Chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. This is the mask military and first responders trust in actual hazardous environments. If you're building a serious emergency kit for 2026, this isn't optional. It's a non-negotiable. Number 7. LifeStraw Peak Series 3-in-1 Gravity System. Filtering water, one bottle at a time, is fine when it's just you. But what about a family, a group, a community situation where demand doesn't stop? The LifeStraw Peak Series 3-in-1 Gravity System solves the volume problem entirely. Fill the 3-liter gravity bag, hang it, and let physics do the work. No pumping, batteries, or any extra effort. It removes 99.999999% of bacteria and parasites, and the system converts between gravity bag, squeeze filter, and straw modes. It's the kind of gear that makes group survival actually manageable. Number 6. Olight Arkfeld Pro. Here's the thing about EDC gear. Every ounce you can eliminate matters. So when one item does the job of 3, you pay attention. The Olight Arkfeld Pro packs a powerful white light for general use, a green laser for long-distance signaling, and a UV light for identifying contamination, all in a single, pocketable form factor. UV light can reveal fuel spills, mold, and contaminants you'd never see with the naked eye. At night, a green laser is visible for miles. Most flashlights just light stuff up. This one works. Number 5. Powertac Warrior G4 Tactical Flashlight, 9,500 lumens. Let that number sit for a second. That's not a flashlight. That's a weapon of illumination. The Powertac Warrior G4 throws a beam 1,400 meters. That's almost a mile of usable light. 5 brightness levels, instant strobe access with one-handed operation, magnetic charging, and a crenellated bezel for self-defense. This is the flashlight that law enforcement and military professionals reach for when the stakes are real. In a perimeter security situation, or a search and rescue scenario, this light doesn't just help, it changes the outcome. Number 4. Leatherman Surge. Sometimes the gear breaks in real emergencies, or when you least expect it. Straps snap, buckles crack, screws come loose, and if you can't fix your equipment in the field, you're carrying dead weight. The Leatherman Surge addresses that with 21 integrated tools, but what actually sets it apart is the blade exchanger system. You can swap out the implements. It's not a fixed loadout, it adapts to what you need. Think of it less as a multi-tool and more as a compact repair station that fits on your belt. Professional grade capability in a package that weighs less than a pound. Number 3. Grayl UltraPress Titanium Purifier. Other water filters stop at filtration. The Grayl UltraPress Titanium doesn't. The titanium body is rated safe for direct fire heating, meaning you can purify water and cook in the same vessel. It eliminates viruses, which by the way most filters don't even touch, bacteria, and protozoa in a single press action. No pumping or chemical taste. 30 seconds and you're drinking clean water from a mud puddle. The titanium construction means it's nearly indestructible and won't leach anything nasty when you heat it. In a world where weight and space are survival currency, this is priceless. Number 2. Garmin inReach Mini 3. Imagine you're deep in the backcountry, 100 miles from the nearest cell tower. Someone in your group goes down, hard. The Garmin inReach Mini 3 is the difference between that story ending well and not ending at all. Two-way global satellite messaging means you can communicate your exact GPS coordinates to rescuers from literally anywhere on the planet. The interactive SOS doesn't just send a signal. It opens a two-way conversation with an emergency response coordination center, compact, rugged, and capable of working where no other communication device can. This one belongs on every serious survival kit list. Number 1. EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus. When the grid goes down and stays down, everything changes. Medical devices stop working, communication tools go dark, food spoils, heating and cooling fail. The ability to generate and store power isn't a luxury in a long-term emergency. It's the difference between surviving and thriving. The EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus uses LiFePO4 battery chemistry, which means a longer cycle life, safer thermal performance, and more reliable operation than standard lithium-ion alternatives. Fully charged in around 50 minutes. Solar input is ready, so you can keep it topped off indefinitely. This is the cornerstone of any serious off-grid or emergency power setup in 2026.